Time to replace the diff oil. We need to replace the oil in the diff. There's two types, and from as far as I know, it's a 9 bolt and 10 bolt. This one is a 10 bolt, so make sure you have the correct gasket. Why a gasket? Because there is no drain plug for this. There is a filling plug, I'm going to show you later, and you have to remove the cover in order to empty the oil. All 10 half-inch bolts. And this is the filler plug. It's on the right hand side of the differential. It's a rectangular tool, and you're gonna need a 3/8. And nothing leaks, so I'll have to separate it by force. I have to take the cover out. And this is the diff on the inside. And let's clean the cover. Painting. And ready, painted. Let it dry, and let's put it back on. And this is the gasket. This is for 10 bolts on the diff. There is also one with 9, so make sure which one your Camaro has. Some sealant, not only to keep the gasket in place, but to promote good sealing between the two surfaces. And all tighten. I should have painted the bolts as well. And this is the oil I'm going to use. Penrite Gear Oil 80W90. That's what Penrite suggests for that model Camaro. I have this Penrite pump, which is going to make my life a lot better. So go for the 0.7 now, and right when it starts going to the mark point, I start doing 1.7 sharp. Tighten and done.